I love garlic too.
This is from Donna Durkin.
Donna Durkin.
Could you please school us on garlic, garlic powder, garlic salt, granulated garlic? When do we use them? I love garlic!
I love garlic too, and I've always said that it's a deal breaker for picking a husband in life because I eat so much garlic, it comes out of my pores and I basically smell like a salami. So, fresh garlic, you want it to be super firm, no dimpling whatsoever. And when I bring it home, I crack it, the whole bulb upside down, boom, knock it upside down, root end up, crush, and then I bounce it with a knife to take off its little jacket, okay? Once you get the garlic peeled, you can pop it in the fridge, 20 or 30 cloves at a time, ready to use. Now, when you can't get good garlic or when you just run out of it, that's when we go to granulated garlic or garlic slices that you can grind or crush, and that's fine. Garlic salt, I don't buy normally and I don't use. I mean, I would if I have to, but I like to be the boss of my salt and the boss of my garlic. So I try and keep them separate worlds.
Okay, so this is a Q&J question.
Oh, it's a question for John. So why aren't you over here?
Well, because I have to read it, and then I'm going to come over there.
Okay.
This is from @JKJDC02.
Wait, I can read it. Here, you come over here.
Okay.
Where am I going here?
What?
Okay. Rita.
No, JK.
No. This one?
No, keep going down.
J-
That one.
JKJDC02. What are bitters?
These are bitters.
Oh my God.
So what bitters are basically, think of them as what spices are to food, bitters are to cocktails. They are basically a lot of alcohol, and then they put flavorings in there, a lot of bark and spices and herbs and really intense flavorings. One of the original bitters is called Angostura. You can get that like in any supermarket. They all come with dasher tops, which are these tops that, you know, only a little bit will come out when you do that. So I would just do like 1 dash, 2 dashes at the most per drink. You know, just experiment with it, and it's a lot of fun.
Good job.
Thank you.